kamay at tayong daway maghahasik ng kaligayahan. Bitawan mong unang salita, ako ay handa ng tumapak sa lupa. Tapos na ang paghihintay, nandito ka na't oras ay
Dylan, my love, my bebu, my hubby, my best friend, and my everything. Here we are now. The long wait is over, and we're now getting married. We have been together for 6 years, and kapag naalala ko ang unang pagkakataon ng pag-uusap natin, alam ko na there's something powerful na hindi ko ma-explain that keeps me wanting to know you.
Parang isang panaginip ang muling mapagbigyan.
I actually have no idea on how I should start this vow. Let me just say, finally. Finally, I'm getting married to the woman I fell in love with. Someone I dreamt of as a kid. Someone I dedicated myself for. Someone that is capable of being the best mother for my kids. You're my unlimited source of energy.
Nagkita rin ang ating landas, wala nang iba akong hinihiling kundi kay pagmasdan. Mundo ko ay iyong niyanig.
Dylan, love conquers all. Kahit anong kahinaan ni Isa, alam ko hindi mo yung tinitingnan. Bakit? Kasi nangingibabaw yung pag-ibig. Isa, ganun ka rin. Dapat yung pag-ibig pa rin.
Parang isang panaginip ang muling mapagbigyan. Tayo'y muling magkasama. Ang dati ay baliwala. Panatag ng kalooban ko at ika'y kapiling ko na.
Even if we have different things, that beliefs, different humor, different personality, and different experiences, hindi naging hadlang ang lahat ng yon para makita ko kung gaano kabuti yung puso mo, kung gaano ka-pure bilang tao. Lagi mong sinasabi sa akin na I lighted up your day, your life, na I'm one of the reasons that keep you dreaming and to be successful. And thank you for that.
You were my everything when I had nothing. No, I feel like everything is nothing without you.
Ika'y ang may nasa huli, sa gitna ng iyong mga labi. Parang isang panaginip ang muling mapagbigyan. Tayo'y muling
I want you to know that my happiness always lies within you. My biggest smile comes from your happiest times. And my happiest times sparks just by seeing your biggest smiles.
ang muling mapagbigyan. Wow. Tayo'y muling magkasama. Ang dati ay baliwala. Panatag ng kalooban ko at ika'y
yan, Isa. Huwag kayo matutulog na merong sama ang loob. Dapat kapag may tampuhan, may pagtatalo, gabi pa lang nag-uusap na. Kasi pag umabot na matagal, ang sama ng loob, ang galit, hinanakit, puot, doon na pumapasok ang gawa ng kaaway na hahayaan na masira ang inyong relasyon.
Love, I vow to love you for the rest of our lives. I vow to give you my heart and support you with your decisions. And hindi ko lang mapapangako ay ang pakikipagpalit ko ng pagkain pag mas nagustuhan ko yung pagkain mo.
Yes. I promise to be the best husband for you, the best dad for our kids. And I promise you that I, Mr. Mark Dylan Reyes, will love you with all of my heart for the rest of our lives. Salamat, Mi. Salamat sa simula bata pa ako. Ikaw na yung dumayo. Daddy Ding, kung nakikinig ka man ngayon, salamat. Salamat, Di. Na kahit hindi kita nabutang laging malakas. Pinatunayan mo sa akin kung paano magmahal ng lalaki. At lagi kita tinitingalagawanan.
Sana maging masaya kayo sa journey na tatahakin ko ngayon with Dylan and yan. And laging tatandaan, mahal ko kayo kahit saan ako magpunta. Yan.
Thank you. Thank you, anak.
By your side, to listen, to rejoice with you, to cry with you, and to take care of you for the rest of our lives. I can't wait to spend our lives together and to build our dreams. I love you always and forever, my Dylan, beloved husband.